I'm going to show you right now today how to use Zoho CRM's mobile app. Ladies and gentlemen, you of course need to start this journey out in your Play Store or your App Store. Go ahead and look for Zoho CRM. Go ahead, hit send. You'll see it'll be the Zoho CRM Sales and Marketing, this one right over here. Okay, so it's the Zoho CRM that we're looking at. And once you've done that, you'll find yourself here after you've logged in with your account. Now, there's no QR code or anything like that that you can connect your account with. It's a very simple process of literally signing in with the account that you've signed in with on your desktop. And over here, you can manage your calendar, so you can add new meetings in over here. You can add different tasks in over here. You can see all of your existing tasks. You can tap on any one of them, open them up. You can go down over here to the home page. You can manage everything directly from your home page. So once it's loaded, you can see all of your dashboards, all of the different bits and pieces that you have now chosen to have displayed on your homepage. So you've got all your open tasks, meetings, and so forth. You can also go into leads, and you can see all of your leads over here. These are all the same leads that are on my desktop, and you can go into each and every one of them, and you can edit them, you can convert them, as you can see over here, right? Once you go down over here to the bottom right to more, here you will see sales. If you go into sales, you can see your contacts, your accounts, your deals. Under activities, you'll be able to see your tasks, meetings, calls, inventory. You can manage your products, your price books, quotes, sales, orders, your purchase orders, invoices, vendors, and then you have your support tab over here, which is your cases and your solutions, reports, analytics, and then any of your unsynced records, which you can just tap on there. It'll sync them all up. On the top right, you can see that there's a settings icon here. You can manage everything that you'll be able to manage within your desktop under settings and notifications. And then we have our little AI agent over here. So you need to enable Zia, which is the AI assistant within Zoho, by tapping the Zia icon on your web application, which will be on the left-hand side in that toolbar. So there you go. Now you can literally see everything that you need to see right over here on your mobile device. And what's nice about this is you can actually manage everything on your mobile device on the go. So you don't need to be near a desktop to see what's going on here. It's awesome.